Hello guys, today we will solve the question remain to integer. The question number is 13 and it is the easy type. So the question statement is we need to change the Roman value to integer value. So it is the value given like I is 1, V is 5 and X is 10. I hope you know how to represent our integer in Roman, like 1 we can write like I, or 5 we can write like 5 V, capital V, but 4 we can write like IV, and 6 as a VI. So 3 will be like this, and 4 will be like this, and 5 will be like this, and 6 will be like this, 7 will be like this, 8 will be like this, but 9 will be like this. So one before reaching any like value like 10, 5, we can take input like we can minus 1, like 5 minus 1, we can write 4 like 5 minus 1, like the same C minus X, we can write like 90. So for 80 we can write like X, for 90 this, and for 100 this, like this. So see the example. So if they will give input like this, we need to give output as an integer, that is 3. So it will be 50 plus 5 plus 3, 58, like this. So here this is the like from here you can get an idea how we can solve this question. Like M is 1000, right? CM is 900 and the XC is 90 and it is 4. So they have added this and it is 1994. So can we do the same for our solving purpose? Yes, we can do. Let's see how we can do. Like if we will go from left to right, from left to right we can also do the same thing by the if condition. Like when M will be 1000, we will add this. Now when C will be there, we know the value of C, right? What is C? C is 100 and M is 1000. Now we can see that like the larger value is coming after lower value, right? So 100 and after that 1000 is coming. So we can minus these things and we can add 900. Exactly same goes for XC. X will be 10 and C will be 100. We can see that the larger value is coming after that. So we can take as an 100 minus 10, 90, and exactly same goes for 4. So it will be, we can solve and we can add this. But I have solved this in from the right to left. It is pretty similar. First what I did, I stored all this value in an unordered map. In an unordered map I have solved that. I have said that i's value is 1, key is I, key V, capital V as a 5. So whenever for loop from the right to left, so if it is like this, for loop will be from here and it will check if I is equal to not to 0. It is not equal to 0 because 1 0 1 2 3, I is 3 right now, and the unordered map of this value, this is I, is if it is less than this value. No, it is not less than, it is equal. So this if condition will not run and our this condition will run. Answer we have initialized answer as a 0. Now 0 plus this value 1, 0 plus 1 will be answer. Now iteration our I will be here and it will check whether this value is less than or not. So similarly like this, it will add all these values and it will be 8. But in the condition like here, first I will be here at one position, but it will check whether this position is less than this value or not. Yes, it is less than this value, so it will minus. Answer will be 0 plus answer plus Si, that is 5 value minus this value, that is 1, so it will be 4 like this. So I am doing like this and we are returning answer in the last. So let's run this code. So it is same code. Now run that code. Okay, it's running. I hope you will solve these questions by yourself and you have got idea how to do and how to solve this question. Thank you.